So here it is, folks. This is my my extra hilt. It's a stunt saber. It's the grab bag stunt saber hilt with the light, just no blade. The reason I got this was because I have 4 blades, 3 hilts. In my last order, I ordered the mystery box saber, and I ordered a grab bag saber hilt, or sorry, blade, 24-inch initiate blade. So so I need another hilt for one of my blades. I think I'm going to use it on the blade that came with my last saber, because I'm using the 36-inch with my the mystery box saber. So the blade that came on that one is going to go on this hilt, whatever it is. So here we go. Here's the unboxing video. It'd be nice if I had 3 arms to do this. Oh, everybody's favorite, the packing peanuts. Here we go. Oops. Okay. Here's the extra goodies I ordered. Another CoverTech clip. Just a regular standard blade plug. The stand. And let's see the hilt here. Ooh, oops. Oh well, spoiled it. Spoiler alert, it's red. Here we go. Nice. And I ordered it with the gold CoverTech clip. It's got awesome. This one has the vents on it, and it has the red button. And as we can see here, it is a red blade. It is a red color here to it, which is awesome. I don't have any red blades, so yep, blaze red. That's nice. I have to look up which one this is, which hilt this is. I will update that and put it on the in the video when I post this up. It will actually say what it is in the title, because right now I don't have my laptop on. Just got home. I couldn't wait to open this, so that's awesome. Once again, thanks Ultrasabers. You did a great job with this one. Love it. And the blade is it's the same one. It's the Ultra Edge mid-grade 32-inch. Looks awesome. That's just awesome. Once again, I finally have one with the vented windows. I love that. Love that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I finally have a Sith saber. And I'll probably be ordering one and another one in a couple weeks. My birthday will be mid-April, April 14th. So probably get asked for money from my parents. I'll be using that money to go towards the new saber. I'm gonna get a sound saber this time. I've had my eye on a nice one. But then I also saw that they have a sale on the Electrum Wind one. So I'm thinking I might get one of those while it's on sale. So we'll see what happens. If I do, I'll post a video of that and post a review on Saber Forum. So, as I'll do with this one tonight. Once again, thanks. Thank you, Ultrasabers.